Welcome students. Sister Beronica Costa, San Joseph School and College, Bonpara, English first part, writing part, class 10. Have you guessed anything about our today's lessons? Yes, it is a story. A story about a friend in need is a friend indeed. Learning outcomes. After studying this lesson, we will be able to ask and answer question, write a story. Let us watch and observe a video.
I hear some gypsies came to town. Is it true that they are such a jealous? That's nonsense. Let's go and see them. I wonder what advice they could give me. What to do? Let's get a name. And the first has to start from sleep. Don't you see? I have Well, I thought the bear was going to attack you. I saw he was wearing some very brown
What have you observed in the video? Once there lived two friends in a village. They promised that they would help each other at the time of danger. One day they were passing through a deep forest. Suddenly a bear came in front of them. So both of them were afraid and thought what to do. One of the friends forgot his promise. He climbed up at a tree nearby. He did not think what would happen to his friend. The other friend did not know how to climb up a tree. But he heard that a bear does not touch a dead body. So, finding no other alternative way, he lay down on the ground. He stopped breathing and pretended like a dead man. The bear came to him and smelled his mouth, ears, and nose. He took the man dead and went away. When the bear had gone away, the first friend got down from the tree and asked his friend, "What did the bear whisper into your ears?" The other friend replied, "The bear gave me a good advice. It, it told me, never trust a friend who leaves his friend in danger." He went away saying goodbye. So we should bear in mind that a friend in need is a friend indeed. Dear students, now write the full story in your own words we learned from this lesson. Thank you.